Howdy, folks. Today is a day to celebrate pickles. I'm hosting a pickle collaboration where a bunch of channels are making recipes involving pickles. I'll be making a pickle cheesecake. Let's do it. The base of this cheesecake will need 1.5 cups of crushed pretzels. I'm gonna mix in 5 tablespoons of melted butter and put it in the bottom of a springform pan. In a large bowl, you need 16 ounces of cream cheese. I'm using the whipped. If you're using the brick, it needs to be room temperature. An 8-ounce log of goat cheese. 3/4 cup of sour cream. And a tablespoon of pickle juice. And then we're going to beat that until smooth. We need to blend in 3 eggs, one at a time. Half a cup of shredded Parmesan cheese. I've chopped 1.5 cups of pickles. I'm putting 1/2 cup of them in. 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. A tablespoon of dill. Teaspoon of red pepper flakes. 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder. A little black pepper, and fold it all in. Pour half that mix into your pan. 1 cup even layer of chopped pickles. Top with the rest of that mixture and smooth it off. Now I'm baking this at 325 for about 45 minutes to an hour until slightly golden on top and set in the middle. It's all refrigerated and ready for consumption. I'm sure you've probably gathered that this is not a dessert cheesecake. It's more of an appetizer cheesecake to serve with crackers or toasted bread. Let's pop it out. Oh, nice. Pickle cheesecake. Let's decorate it with some pickle slices. Your friends will be so impressed with this pickle cheesecake. And serve with some crackers. Yes! I love it. So cheesy, so pickly. If you're a pickle fan, this is perfection. There's so many more pickle dishes to see. Make sure you check out the playlist in my description to see all the people participating in my pickle collaboration. Or check out the hashtag feeling picklish. Pickles! Mr. Pickle, why do you wear glasses?
Because I'm legally blind.